Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris from the Grid Hi-Fi. We're out here in Fountain Valley checking out the Synergistic Research demo room. We're going to run through the equipment. We're also going to do some demos. We're going to do it right after the intro. Quick components that you guys have in the room. This is their brand new FEQ carbon right there, right in the front. We also have strafing it, the Synergistic Research Ethernet switch and their brand new router that they just brought on as well. Throughout the other system, we have acoustic signature turntable up top, and then the esoteric phono stage down below. Alpha DAC over here. That one's incredible from the Berkeley Audio Design. And what else we got over here? Synergistic Research, 2 of the Galileo power cells, because why not? Looks like they filled up all of the outlets on the back of that pretty quickly with the components that they have in the room. As you guys can see, everything is taken care of in the room. We have the MIG SXs right here for isolation. We also have the brand new, that not a lot of people are knowing about just yet, but this is their Galileo active power or grounding block. And I'm really interested on checking one of those out for our showroom. So check out the back of this thing. Looking pretty sweet with all those grounding straps on there. We have a reel-to-reel over here. And one thing I'm probably forgetting is their Tranquility bases for pretty much every single thing that is in this room, as well as their one-off, well, not really one-off, but limited run of their audio equipment racks, which these things are gorgeous and stunning. Throughout the rest of the room, we also have these black boxes too. We have about 6 of them, I believe. We also have the cable lifters right here down below. And then we have the SRX speaker cables right there going into the Magicos. And then we have some rails in the back, as well as the speaker kit right here on top and all around this unit itself. And HFTs all the way throughout the room as well that you guys probably can't see. So you said this room is a, how big?
21 by 35.
21 by 35 by 13 sized room. And this room is actually treated with a fair amount of technology with acoustically dampened paint. So this room actually sounds incredible. You guys will hear a demo in just a little bit. I'll just chop it up real quick because I don't want to play the entire thing. It'll get ripped down for copyright. But let's go ahead and check out those demos. All right, guys, I'm just going to wrap it up here at the Synergistic Research Room, and this is actually their factory, if you guys didn't know. But that's going to wrap it up for this room. I'm floored. I'm a true believer. This is an incredible brand. If you guys are naysayers, just go ahead and just hear it yourself. Literally, that's all you got to do. Put all this stuff to bed. Just approach it with an open mind. That's all I got to say. If you guys want to demo any of this stuff, you guys know where to go, gridhifi.com. You guys can also come into the showroom. We'd be happy to show you around and do A/B test. Show it with it and give you demos without it. You guys can make up your own minds. Really appreciate you guys following along and all the support. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.